like I started to learn from that. But then the dev forum is like what really took me to the next level.
I bet.
Okay. I guess I just the supply drop script and just start,
Yeah.
you know,
It's in
figuring it out.
server. Yeah, server script.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Bet.
I just want to see the model for it.
Replicate, yeah.
It's in replicated?
Yeah, it's in replicated storage.
Um,
Objects or no event. Wait, what? Objects and yes, the model supply drop.
you want me to put that in server storage or no?
Yeah, you can. You can do whatever you want with it.
Okay. All right. Because if I move something and there's an error in the script, like I'm gonna find all those. I'm gonna fix it. Like
bet. Yeah,
you have to worry about it.
That's the only. Yeah, we can completely redo that
Okay.
system.
Can I just move the whole objects folder?
What's in it?
Or there's player items, stored items, and supply drop, but I don't think you would have.
I disabled the night vision goggles script and stored items. That is for the locker system.
Okay, so that's a server side thing, right?
Yeah.
So I can just move that all to server storage, right? What? Sorry, Mike.
No, good. I'll fix the script for the locker.
Okay. All right, I'm just gonna move the objects to server storage.
All right, cool. And then events.
And then events is fine there because it's replicated. And then I would put the values in, but you got it. We'll just do that stuff later. Yeah. I think I'm ready to just like,
right,
I'm
gonna try to get this locker done. I'm gonna get bugs too.
Okay, yeah.
Let me find.
Wait, so just a question. What does the supply drop currently?
So the UI, it basically does nothing. Like I was working on the UI. I'm like in the process of making the UI. I just never finished it.
Right.
So it basically just spawns in. But my intention is for it to have higher tier loot that players kind of have to like rush to or like compete with each other to get to first. And that would be a vest, like bulletproof vest, just like to add like a little health buff. That could be maybe not night vision, but like heat filtering goggles, so they can like possibly see the Wendigo before it approaches.
Sure, yeah.
That would just be like color correction, just completely altering that, and then having I'll figure it out. I don't know.
Yeah. All right.
And then like.
So it says when the clock time is 3, then it will spawn it. So
yeah.
It fires all clients, and then when that gets read by the client, is that when it displays the GUI for the drop?
The GUI is 60 seconds late.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
I just realized that, like, as you said that, I changed.
Okay.
I changed the time the UI appears because some of the UI was like overlapping, and I wanted just the audios too. So you can just add a wait in there, 60 seconds, because it spawns earlier than the UI appears. But the UI is supposed to appear when it spawns. So yeah, fires the client, the UI appears.
All right. Is clock time 3 like when it?
Yeah, clock
time. Well,
I know
that's.
It's just the time I chose because it like looks the best in studio, and it's
okay.
And it's just
sure.
It is at that time, so there's no really 24-hour cycle. It's more of just like me changing the times manually.
Okay.
And like creating the, I guess, appearance of there being a cycle.
Okay. Does it? Would it only drop at night or day?
It would only drop at night. Like it would be like considered like another event. I think one of my ideas is also like it doesn't have to.
I can
Yeah, and also
I can do that.
I want to create an item that you can find, like a flare gun or something, that causes it to spawn on command. So you fire the flare gun and it spawns in one of the random locations.
Okay. Do you know what debris is? Or debris?
Where's it in?
Debris service?
No. Is that like...
You don't know what that is?
Like cycling junk? Is that like?
Yeah. So it's just like you can add objects to it, and it'll just like you call a debris function with the time, and it delays that, and then it will remove the item.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. So I can just like, but again, that's just like a performance kind of thing. Like, and it's minuscule. It really doesn't do much. But like, that's just
what I need
those.
to like educate myself more in like performance.
Yeah.
Because I haven't made like a game of this size, so I never really had to.
Yeah. No.
In the past.
That's no. Yeah. No.
Like one of the things I encountered earlier into the development was like data leak. Was a data leak, and I fixed it just by reverting the version because I could not find the issue. I just reverted the version.
Wait. What was leaking?
I literally cannot find it. I like made a post on dev forum. I was trying to like I spent like I think 2 weeks trying to figure it out, and there was nothing I could do. Like I would run the game, and it would run at like 4,000 megabyte usage. So I just reverted the version. It was something I had added within the previous like 2 weeks of work. So I had to revert it. Lost 2 weeks of work. It's like this was a year. This was like a while ago.
Wait. So what was leaking though?
That's what I couldn't figure out. It was I just like identified it as a data leak. I was like, I didn't know it was a data leak at first, and I just like asked for help. I was like, what's happening in my game? And they were like, it's most likely a data leak.
Wait. So what was like the problem then?
They said it was like what I was told was it was related to Lua heap, and that the junk wasn't cycling. Like there's no junk removal.
So was it just like getting to a crashing point?
It was getting to a crashing point. Like it wouldn't. Run.
Okay,
Yeah.
Right. I got you. Okay. All right, that makes sense.
Like it had the same effect as like running a while loop without waiting.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. And it wasn't
Dang.
bad.
Okay. Yeah, that's bad.
Yeah, but I reverted it, and that was over a year ago. I haven't faced an issue.
Yeah, nah.
And
I mean, that's just what you learn from, like,
yeah,
you know.
Yeah. No, this has been a learning process, but I think it can definitely be completed now.
Yeah, I mean, we're chilling.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
All right. Let me do this locker shit.
Yeah. Should I stream my development on my development channel?
Yeah, sure. We can do both. All right, I'm just trying to find some. Bro, I would play this, but like I think it's gonna get copyrighted. I want to see if there's a way to like change the output, the stream audio like mic output, or I can just turn desktop audio off low-key and listen to them. But that's fine. I'll just play some shit on YouTube.
That's fine. Do you want me to mute you on mine then?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. OBS is already running. Oh no, not this bug. Oh wait, no, it's fine.
That shit happens to me.
Alright. Wait, bro, I instinctively turned on my second monitor. I just always have OBS on that, but I moved it.
I think this should be good.
Don't stop me! Don't stop!
Bro, what is that ad, bro? What was that ad? That
I don't
was...
even know, bro.
Alright. I'm gonna copy your stream title and description. Bro, we're literally like duplicating our chance of being found. It's genius.
That's perfect, that's like
So genius, bro.
Have you got the Roblox? That's related.
That's for later, bro. That's for later. It's good that we both have funds as well to like pour into that.
Yeah, exactly, bro. Like if I was without that shit, we'd be without
Yeah. Yeah. I've never gotten punished for that.
I don't even have like monetization, bro. I don't remember.
Oh. Playlist. Devlog. Okay. I swear the YouTube stream like page gives me so many errors for no reason. Wait, what? To make external links clickable. One-time verification, bro? Oh my gosh. Use video verification? What? I'll just get rid of the external links, bro. It does not matter. I'll just do discord.gg/. That works, yeah. There we go. Alright. Alright, my stream's also. I'm ready to start that. Kind of hard to test the system. You have to wait for it to run.
You know,
Yeah. Find first ancestor, which is a player. Bro, I've never heard of that. I've never used that function before.
On what?
Find first ancestor. It's weird. Yeah.
Like I used to player from
Yeah, I use that a lot, but I've never used that. I don't even remember his name. It was the longest function name I've ever seen. Alright. Alright, did you speed up the cycle? Okay.
I was object not.
Wait, 10 seconds per.
That's because I'm trying to do this on local. That's why I had objects in. If you're using a local script, you can't access certain storage.
If you're using a local script, you can't access the source storage.
Oh, right?
Yeah.
So should I just put stored items?
Wait, why do you need to access it?
The stored items, players storing it through a local script by accessing the UI, and they.
Here, wait, let me think about this. Yeah, so if you're having.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously you need it to be in, like, replicated storage, but is that the best way to do it? Wait, so, like, what if multiple players are storing stuff? What do you do? I mean, you wouldn't need a folder. You could just, like, technically you don't really need a folder because you could just. Well, you don't need to have the same item. You can just make it so that, like. Well, I'm just thinking, like, why would you store the model of the item when you could just, like, have a list that, like, you don't need the object. That I feel like that would just be redundant because you can just, like, store a list of strings, like, just store a table of strings, you know, and then just, like, you feel me? Like, I'm trying to explain. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, so let's just have, yeah, so let's just have let's have an object folder. You should have a, here, I'm gonna make another folder and I'm gonna put it, here, wait. I wonder how to, okay, I'm gonna say, objects of objects. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna have locker, how about like lockable items or something? Storable items. Alright, what's the supply drop look like? There it is. Okay, so there's no like falling or anything, it just like spawns in like that. Is there a flare? Is that a flare I see? Oh, yeah, let me... So it like goes down? Okay, yeah. I mean, that's a pretty good way to do it. Yeah, yo, what is that? Weld profile? Okay. Yeah, alright. Alright, sweet. I have mine on like 1 volume just so I can hear everything. Like, just so I can hear myself think, bro. Like, alright, supply drop. I'm putting it in object folder. How about like server objects? Player objects and server objects. Oh.
I got, these are just the items, basic items, and then I'm gonna also add the flashlight. Or no, the flashlight is just, no, it's the whole, okay. Alright, I'm just gonna redo this. Alright, so just destroy the tool, remove it from the player's inventory. Check the flashlights. Continuously.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, and then the retrieval I'm gonna do on the server side. Just after, okay. So I just have to work on like storing and
Can you explain the current like state of the supply drops? Like, what needs specifically done right now?
Honestly, the spawning, that's all that needs to be done. And
So it doesn't spawn in?
it spawns in, but like all 3 locations weren't working. I just wanted to make the spawn, like the actual spawning of it much more visual thing, with the flare coming down. And
so you haven't scripted like the flare? Oh my, hold on, bro. Holy cow, I need to like mute studio, bro. When I load the game, it's so loud.
I need to reduce some of those.
I'm muting studio. And I always have studio at 1. There's no way it was that loud. Alright. Let's see. Okay, yep. Alright, I'm chilling now. Okay, so there's the day cycle and then spawn location.
What can be a way to detect if a player is switching between tools without using wild? What do you think?
I'm sorry, your mic's kinda cutting out.
Yo, is that better? Let me see if this works.
Yeah.
Oh, I can just break it. Okay.
You know, whenever I use server events, I always just have one, and then I just check like, and then I have an argument, and it's always like the first argument, and it's, like, I just call it, like purpose.
Wait, say that again.
Yeah, so whenever I use a server event, I always just have one server event for the whole game, and I make the first argument just the usage of like why I'm calling it, and then in a script I just check. And I mean it's fine if you have multiple.
Yeah,
like
it was just because
I'm
I
saying,
just wasn't thinking that because there's like some of it like overlaps pretty easily.
Yeah, that's fair.
It was that was the thing. I was trying to do it in like fewer, but like I just kept running into issues where it's like overlapping and then just not firing.
Yeah.
It's like
Okay.
it was just like bugging out. Yeah. So
Yeah, that can be
I
tricky.
had to separate a little more. But we can definitely like fix it and optimize that a little bit because there's like so many. I'm gonna try to not
it's
add
just
any more. I'm gonna see if I can just use what I have, or maybe add one more and try to focus all the usage around that one.
Yeah, and that's like down the line kind of thing, like optimization. Alright.
The game itself will run decently. Like
It does, yeah, it does.
Like in the 1,000 and peaks out.
Yeah, that's good.
I almost just crashed.
Is it even possible to get below 1,000? Like, I don't know.
I've played games like where they optimize things. A lot of it's like rendering. They have like I don't know how.
Just like
rendering.
Would that be like making the trees like can't collide or something, like the leaves or something?
Yeah. It's like
it
checks the magnitude of the player. And
maybe like the power lines too, like no collision or just that's down the line stuff.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah.
Nah, it's nothing to worry about right now. I'm just trying to focus on this. I'm just like thinking ahead too much.
You can't even collide with
Here, I'll write it down in the doc. Actually, oh wait, I don't have access to it. I'll request it here.
Shit, I'm not gonna go to my Gmail and bug it.
Oh, that's smart.
Let me see if this works.
Bro.
What is not working?
It said request access, and I just, here, do you want me to just give you the email? And then you can just share to a specific email.
Access, yeah, here. I I shared it.
Do you get me or?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, you're an editor now.
Says request edit access to. I don't know.
Wait, reload the page.
I did, yeah.
I'll try to reopen.
Nah. Yeah, I'll try. Oh yeah, I got it.
Where's the exhausted allowed execution time? Oh, okay. Here, this is why. I'm bugging. That should work fairly decent.
I'm making another list here.
Hopefully that flashlight is not supposed to detect flashlight. Okay, you know what? Let me just do this.
I think I found why it wasn't spawning at all the locations. Oh, bro. Wait, what? Um, I'm trying to find. There it is. Okay.
I'm just fixing this UI, locker UI. It's basic, but it's fine.
So how long do you want the flare to be above the thing?
It doesn't have to. It could be above it for like 5 seconds, and then I'd say the whole transition be 30 seconds, where like slowly lowers.
Slowly lowers 30 seconds? Okay, I got you, I
Put it
got
a
you.
little higher as well, if you want. Like starting position, maybe. I'd say like.
So maybe, I don't know. How about make it 60 above, but then the wait time is 0.5.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
then
sure.
every half second.
I bet, yeah. A played out character, find for a child, tool, and print equipment. I think I got the storage system down. I just need to create the retrieval system.
Yeah, so I found out why it wasn't spawning at all the locations.
What was it?
The random number was math.random
No,
1 to 1.
yeah, I did that because the other ones.
You did that on purpose?
Yeah,
Okay.
because the other ones just weren't like. I
Alright.
don't remember.
But the positions were also just fucked up, like
Alright.
sorry. I don't know if you want me to swear or not.
No, you got.
Um,
I don't care. You good. I've been swearing too on the stream.
Okay.
This game isn't gonna be exactly like family friendly, so not really.
Okay.
This UI is looking like not good. I need to fix it, like the design. Like some of the UI looks amazing, and some of the UI looks absolutely terrible. I was I'm bugging.
Oh, yeah, I'd never used find first ancestor, which is A. I've never used that.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, so I see the practicality of that though. It's just like if it's in the player, then it just finds the player it's in. That makes sense. I just try to not use server scripts in players, like at all. But
I think I'm
ow,
sometimes. I don't even.
oh, bro, my leg, bro. I need to get like knee surgery. Like actually, it's so fucked
I
up.
hit legs last week, and I was like, damn.
Oh man, bro, there's like something wrong with my joint, bro. Like actually, I actually gotta get.
Bro, I was doing leg extensions. Bro,
Ugh.
was like crunching. I had to stop. It was not good.
Just
Right,
pops.
this UI is getting tight. I don't know what. I don't have like. I mean, it looks decent. It's whatever. It's a locker.
You're right. I'll look at it. Oh, it goes off my screen.
Really?
Do you have it set with
I didn't scale it yet. And I usually do at the end after making everything.
I just have a plugin that does
Yeah,
it.
same. I do the same thing. Yeah.
Okay. Auto scale light.
Yeah, I got that too. It's decent. This UI. I don't. It's just basic. You know what I mean? Like here, take a look at the shop UI. Tell me how that looks.
Yeah. You wanna activate?
Yeah, sure. I was trying to go for this similar style.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
It's decent, right?
Yeah, I would just honestly, to be honestly, I think you should, for development's sake, just for both of us, just unit convert it right now. I mean, it's really easy.
Alright, baby. Yeah. I think the shop UI is converted. I see you do the locker.
Yeah. I mean, you can always play around like with you know, the UI. Like I think they added a whole bunch of stuff that you can just drop in your UIs for rounding. Like you don't even need to use.
I'm not even trying to round. I'm trying to keep this like square, like the simplistic square. But
yeah, it looks like a locker. Like I think that's what you're going for,
that's what
right?
I was going for, like the actual like visual. Did you see the shop UI?
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah.
Alright.
It was just like half of it was off my screen.
Okay. I'll fix this right now.
I have like a really small, like not monitor, but like game window. Like I just have a huge output window and huge properties or like Explorer.
Okay, yeah, I feel that. We can always fix the UI later too. Like I'm trying to make it like nice later. Alright. Oh my god, how'd that fuck?
Yeah, there's just a bunch of errors in the supply drop spot. Flare clone. That's not what you want. I'll just do it.
Alright, this should work now. I keep accidentally selecting the trees. It's so annoying. Is there a way to make them like unselectable so I don't keep accidentally just like
yeah, you can lock it.
I'm gonna just do that quickly.
Alright, so I changed the flare to go down a half a stud every 0.25 seconds.
Alright, cool.
And I think that should get to 60 exactly, which I have it set at the height. So 60 divided by 0.5. I don't know. I'm so bad at math. Alright. 0.25. So divided by
Oh, it worked.
so it's gotta go down 120 times. So it does 120 times 120. So go down. Oops. It's an error. Yep. Attempt to index nil with break joints. Yeah. Did you scale it? I see it now. I'm getting a call. Hold on.
I'm gonna be right back. Alright, I'm back.
Alright. I'm back.
Alright. Wait. trying to think, what else do we need to like add, like little things?
What little things?
I'm just looking at the doc. There's like some
Yo, your mic is like.
Yeah. Alright, is it good? Is it good now?
Yeah. I don't know. Does it just like go away from your mouth?
Weird. Yeah. It goes away from my mouth.
Okay. Local item clone equals item clone.
Play here.
Alright. I cut the code for the drop supply like more than in half.
I bet.
I just made another function that just uses the parameter of the drop location. So like you don't have to redo all the math.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
I don't think I even need to break this, to be honest, if I'm removing.
Alright, it should work actually. Oops, no, it's not gonna work. No, it should work, yeah. Yeah, okay. Come on.
How do you return to a loop? Is it possible to... I'm forgetting this shit.
Yeah?
How do I return to a loop after breaking it? So I'm using a while true do wait. And then I want to break it after this thing occurs. But then return...
Yeah, I'm looking at your stream.
Like I put the break here after... After
Wait.
all this occurs, I would break it because the issue...
Is my stream delayed? Oh wait, I see the break. Okay. So while true do wait, if the tool is there.
Yeah. Then print equipped, and then defines the tool.
Wait, so what loop are you breaking?
Just for this to happen multiple times, because if I run it once, it'll run for the first item, and then it won't run again. Like I'm breaking... Wait 1 second, I fucked this up. It's like...
I'm just confused. What are you trying to do?
Let me think. I think Alright, wait. Let me just run it. Let me run it without that.
Yeah.
I'm using the while loop to continuously check if the player has a tool. The player has a tool equipped. So I go in, right? And then I equip. And it works one time, but since it's a while loop, it just runs this as fast as possible, creating multiple spaces. So I'm trying to break it directly after the player clicks. No, I think there's a more efficient way of doing this. I think I'm just confusing it. I'm like thinking too.
Huh. Just let me know if you need me to look at it again.
I got you. Yeah. I'm gonna actually just delete the while loop and see if I can figure it out from there.
Wait.
Okay, yeah, the issue is that I have to continuously be. Let me just see if I can find.
Alright.
Oh, I'm such an idiot. Holy shit, I'm overcomplicating this, bro. I'm
That's what I
actually.
thought.
I was like,
I don't know. Yeah, I wasn't quite sure what you were trying to do.
I'm
Yeah.
tired, bro. I'm like off 3 hours. I barely slept last night.
Oh, okay, yeah. Were you up late doing work?
I was doing school till like 2 a.m.
Bro.
I got work to do after this, low key, but like I can just delete it.
Oh, man.
I can just put this entire thing into a tool.equipped function, checking if. Yeah. Okay, that's so much better. Alright, bet. It's still not working.
What is an actor? What? Script colon yet actor. What's an actor? I've never seen.
I've never heard of that.
Huh.
This shit is like actually.
Is there a reason the clock freezes when it gets to 3?
Just to keep it at that time, just like not open the light. The lighting at 3 was
Joe, your mic is like.
It's my fault. I need to keep this on it, bro. Like, I has to be like touching my lips to work. I swear.
What?
Just to I'm trying to remember. Just to keep it like that, like darkness.
Okay.
That atmosphere, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Because like with the 24-hour clock, it's gonna be like constantly.
Right.
Yeah. I just wanted to keep it like at a steady level of light, and then switch
Okay.
to morning once I guess.
I got you.
Yeah. The issue I'm having is I'm able to detect if the player has the tool equipped one time, but then I can I just can't keep it. The script just doesn't run through like multiple times.
That's so weird. Negative 169. So that spawns, and then the flare is. Where's the flare? Oh, what the? It's all the way over there? Wait, no, it's not. What's going on? Yo, what is going on? $16 in 30 seconds. Then you have to move 2 studs per second. So you have to do -1. That's interesting. $32, $632.
So I'm getting the tool from the player, and then I'm checking if that tool is equipped in the same, and it's not working. Alright. What exactly? This shit is like overly complicated. It's such a simple task.
I'm almost done with the drops, so just I'll help you figure something out if you can't get it.
I've like this whole script's complete. It's just like this one specific aspect I'm trying to figure out. Like everything is working except for this shit. Let me see if I can add a cooldown. That's possible. Oh, you know what I can probably do? Let me see if this works. I can just put it into a local function and then
Yo, what is that error message that I just got? Y cannot be assigned to. And that's it.
Oh, you mean Y isn't on the axis?
Yo, dude, your mic.
Yo. Bro, it keeps shifting. Bro, this shit keeps fucking shifting. It's so annoying. I'm gonna
Is mine doing that too? I feel like mine sometimes does that.
Nah, yours is good, Bro, this is
Okay.
new too, bro. I don't know why it's...
I don't know. Maybe you're just like, I don't know. You're like scratching your face and just like pushing it.
It just like does it on its own.
Nah, I don't know, that's weird. Position. Flare, item clone dot flare part. Flare dot position dot y minus equals 5. Till Y cannot be assigned to. I've never seen that. What does that mean? It's like it didn't finish what it was saying. Huh. Do you have to use vector3.new when you're changing the position of something?
We can use C-frame, right?
Yeah, but do you have to use them?
I'm pretty sure you... I'm trying to think. I remember there's instances where I didn't. I just was able to change the C-frame without using...
I guess I will. I mean, if it really comes down to it.
Bro, I just fucked up the script. Alright.
Someone in my chat said I say right foot creep. Oh, you're here too. Oh wait, no, that's your chat. What is happening? So okay, yeah. Someone in my chat said I said right foot creep.
Alright, bro, this is like...
Yeah, I think it worked this time. That's weird. I guess you just can't change position by an integer. It has to be vector 3.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't know that. I've done it in the past, I just didn't know it had to be specifically that. It would just be shorter code. Huh.
Bro, I'm like crashing my own fucking scripts, bro. I always forgetting the fucking... Every time I do, bro, I'm forgetting the word.
Alright, so I think the drops should work. I mean, I think now just, is there anything else that needs to be done for the drops?
Not really, just UI design. We can work on some of the items.
Okay.
Like, if you want to start making a,
You can change the time back too.
Wait, look at my stream. Alright, wait. Like, on...
Yeah.
I'll stream on Discord just so there's...
Okay, sure, yeah.
Alright, bro. So, what I'm trying to do, right, is when you open the locker, It's basically checking if you have a tool equipped, right? And it's not going by name because there's multiple tools you can have equipped. So this works. This all works. But I have to put it in a while loop. Wait. Yeah, I have to put it in a while loop just to keep detecting if there's a new tool being equipped. Because if I keep it out of the loop, it only detects it one time, and it won't be working. So I have to keep detecting it. But as I do that, it basically runs these through the while loop, creating a multitude of item slots instead of a single one. And I'm just trying to figure out a way of running the loop without it duplicating the items at the rate it's duplicating it. Like, this is the test, dude.
Yeah, show me.
So it stops at 5 because the max storage is 5, but it's still like.
Oh.
Oh well, you put an item, store item comes up, press store item. It works, but it just duplicates it multiple times.
It makes 5, right?
Yeah. That's like what I've been trying to figure out.
Okay. So, show me the code. Okay, so if player.character. Well, I mean, I think it's working. I just think it's running.
It's just running. I'm just trying to figure out a way to run the while loop without having this portion duplicate, because that's what a while loop does. But I'm just trying to see if there's a way. There's like a cooldown creation. While I'm just trying to figure out like a alternative.
I'm slot visible. Well, no, I think. Wait, what's the slash? Space dot value.
Oh, that's just for like it'll be space dot value. Oh, okay, so max space is the amount, so it'll be 0/5, showing you have.
Oh yeah, okay.
Space dot value is basically just put
Well, I think. Oh.
Yeah, you see what I mean? Like it's in this.
Wait, so the event listener is multiplied?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what I'm.
Yeah, I see.
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
I see what you do.
But everything is just multiplying.
Yeah. So basically, when you click one tool, it goes 5 times.
It goes 5 times. Yeah. Because it's running through the loop. So this is looped as well.
I mean, if I was doing this, I would loop. Okay, right.
And I can't really loop the detection itself because I need to grab the tool and I need to define the tool with the event, because everything happening in the event is based on the tool being
wait. Connect. You know, I don't think it's running multiple times for one. I think it's just.
No, it's just running non-stop. That's why, yeah.
I think it's just running all the tools that the player has at once.
No, because it's only detecting the tool that's equipped, and I only have one tool equipped. It's just running through. It's just running through the entire function.
Wait, so you only wanted to store the tool you have equipped?
Yeah, exactly, and that works. But the issue is, it's running that same thing multiple times because it's in a while true do.
Okay. Well, wait. Why do you need a loop then?
Because like it doesn't consistently detect if a tool is equipped. Like it'll detect it one time or not at all, and I need to run a loop because it could be occurring at like multiple moments of time. Because if I just spawn in without having a tool equipped, it'll run the script, but there's no tool equipped and it won't run again. So I'm putting the loop for it to continuously run. So if the player goes at any time, it'll detect. But through that loop, it's just creating this issue of duplicating the.
Okay. Do you think I can try and test it,
or like
I want to try and code it because it's really hard for me to think like about it without being in the script editor.
Yeah, go into
Sorry.
I'm gonna work on some tools, I think.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try and figure it out. Yeah. I mean, it seems pretty simple. I don't know.
I know the issue. I just don't know the solution.
Yeah. Also, if you want to test out the supply drop.
Alright, bet. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try and get this. Yeah.
Alright.
So where are the scripts for this? Just in server script service?
It's in the UI.
It's in the UI. Starter GUI?
Yeah, starter GUI, locker UI, and it should be under mainframe or first thing. It's in locker UI, locker functionality.
Locker functionality?
Yeah.
Oh. So it's a local script? Okay.
Yeah, it's running a local.
Oh, dude, yeah. I forgot they added like simultaneous code editing. Like, can you see what I'm typing in?
Yeah, I see
Here,
it.
wait.
Oh, that's cool.
You can?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's actually
Okay.
so helpful, yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Um. Okay, so. Right. So when it's prompt, then mainframe visible. Yep. Um. Okay. So I'm just gonna test this here. So play here.
I'm gonna start working on
Yep.
Let me see. So we got timed prime in chat. I'm looping it for tool detection because it's detecting. All right, so the entire script is based around if the player has any tool equipped, not like a specific tool. So I can't find the tool by the name. I have to check if the player has any tool equipped. So I'm running it multiple times for it to continuously work. That's why it's in a loop, or else it's not going to work. It'll run when the game is started, but won't run when the player actually prompts the locker. You know what I mean? But the issue is, as is running the while loop, it runs the duplicate. It duplicates the UI. So I'm trying to figure out a solution for that.
Yeah, I think I know how to do this. I'm just gonna set up. Okay.
And it's not a script in the tool. It's in the UI. It's for the detection of tools. That's why I gotta run it in a loop. All right, I can add some. No, I can actually start working on the power outage event.
Okay.
To be honest, that'd be fun to work on. Or we can work on
Yeah.
some items later on. Yeah. Sound additions. I have a bunch of sounds saved too that I can send you, just like sound effects I got off this free sound.
Okay. Sure. Tool to store.
All right, so
If
basically,
space not value.
all I'm doing here, I'll show you the script, right, time. So this is just a functionality of the locker. So the function is detecting if the player has any tool equipped in the given time when they're within the UI, and it won't work if they're not within the UI. So it's finding, first try the class tool because it's just checking the character for it. Then if the tool is equipped, it'll fire this event, or it'll make the button visible that's connected to the event in which the UI is updated. But the UI is duplicated because this loop has to run, but the loop has to continuously run for the tool to be detected. Yes, so if the UI is open, alright, I can add, what's your Discord? Alright, bet. You resend it? It's not.
Stuff values less than max space.
Yo, Tom. Oh wait, no, I'm bugging. My fault, that's the wrong one. It's that one. Bottom. Alright, I'm gonna create a representation of the power. Okay. Okay. This. I'm gonna create a physical board that can be seen at the power station, the barn, and the Firewatch tower. That basically displays the level of power, or like the reserves. So like as both things are being used, so let's say the lights are on for the I'm trying to think. The lights are on for the Firewatch tower and the door is closed for the barn. A battery value will decrease, and as it decreases, it'll be represented through like a physical board that can be seen at those locations, just to give the player an idea of like how to preserve the power they're using. And then it ultimately have to be repaired with a specific tool. I can do that right now.
This guy's in the Discord crying.
Alright.
I low-key don't think we need his help, to be honest. I mean, I low-key got this figured out. I mean, I'm just, you know.
My fault, I checked Discord, bro. I wasn't peeping chat. Yo, I got you, Solomon. Alright, just let me... Alright.
Why don't you just have the store button always visible?
I could do that, but I still have the player detection still active. Oh, it's because the flashlight can't be stored because it's like the starter item, so I'm not trying to have it stored because you can like duplicate it and it just like makes no sense. You know what I mean? Like if you continuously store the flashlight.
Yeah, but you can just check if here. Do you want to see what I'm doing in here?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Yeah. So I just am setting this on event, or I'm sorry, this like event listener.
Yeah.
And so whenever they click, it just finds the tool in them, and then it does what it does here.
Yeah, you know what? Bro. I'm like, bro, I need to sleep. That actually makes sense. Yeah.
And then you don't need this, to be honest. Like, I would just make here where is my okay.
But it would still have. Yeah, I guess making it, yeah, the guys are event based is gonna make it. The shop, I think I might completely redo at some point because it's so inefficient. The code. That's why That's why this game is taking so long to develop. I'm like recoding some of the stuff.
Oops. Is that centered? Does that look okay? Can you see that?
Let me see the UI or the code.
Yeah, I just changed it up a little bit.
Alright, let me look. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm working on
So
the battery.
I put store item into it, so
Alright,
then I can just yeah.
but make sure to. I can add that where you check if the. Okay.
What are you building?
I'm working on. I'm trying to make a battery meter to detect.
Oh, okay.
Like just to represent like the battery's level.
Yeah.
Alright, so
I think that works. Oh. Ha! Here.
yeah.
Do we do it up here, or do you want to do it
Yeah,
there?
that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Oh, sorry. It's kind of too much Java, bro. All right.
I bet.
And that's fine. We don't really need to know. Okay. Okay. Ow! Okay. Should work.
See if this is. This will just be like a little display of the batteries.
Yeah, that works.
Alright, bet. Let me test it out. Yeah, I just like overly complicated it.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm just trying to simplify stuff, but that should be good.
Alright,
Yeah.
maybe I
Alright.
just the mini-map. Try to fix it.
What do you want me to try to script now?
Alright, let me see. Roadmap. You want to make a Game Pass? Or we don't have to.
I
It's related to the storage.
okay. Well, what's like the most important to the core?
Let me see. Okay, so I'm working on. All right. Items, definitely items. So radio, GPS, navigation items, and communication items. Those are what we need to work on next, because that's like kind of a core aspect of gameplay.
Okay. Did you change the time back?
No, it's still at 10 seconds. I'm gonna test the airdrop real quick, actually.
Okay.
What was you have it randomly set? Yeah, right. To the.
Yup.
Okay, cool. Where's the script? Yo, where'd you put the script for it?
Script
Yeah,
for what?
for the airdrop.
Oh, it's just day-night cycle related.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool. And you added T-spawn as well. Nice. I'd say are you good with data store?
I can be.
Yeah. Either items. Yeah, just working on like basic model. The animations and models don't matter, but like you can work on the functionality.
Okay.
So such as the GPS. GPS
Okay.
I'd say, yeah.
So wait. So what did the GPS do?
So GPS, I'm pretty sure. Okay, there's this. Let me see if I can find this video. YouTube GPS. Wait, I'm bugging.
Wait a minute. That's weird.
People make it in like the most complicated ways. I don't really. Yeah, it's not. Here, minimap. Let's see minimap.
Want to know how to turn your viewers into shoppers? It's simple. It's Shopify.
So you watch dogs by myself, I'm sure you can too. It's like download. It's a good just in the center of your box, right? So if you go to
Bro, I need this monster to get done from this modeler. I don't know why he's not. I need to start animating that and adding it in. Okay, we can also start developing the pathfinding with like a regular dummy.
Yeah. So that's my weakness.
Yeah, I can't pathfind either. I'm shit.
That's just because like
We can definitely just find a tutorial.
if you have the character like I guess I can do pathfinding, but like I'm not messing with the character, bro. I'm gonna be like that's just
Yeah.
I just always struggle because
We just have to focus on like we don't have to focus on animations and character aspects like health.
okay,
Literally just its movement, like randomized movement, player detection,
right on.
stuff like
Okay,
that. Yeah.
word. Yeah. All right. So for some reason, that doesn't show up for a while. Why is that happening?
What isn't? Oh, the UI?
Yeah.
Dude, what we can do is we can just delay this. There's a wait on it. We can just have it spawn later into the night, anyways. Just add a wait.
No. I mean, I'm sorry, not the UI. Like the flare. Like bro, the particle on the flare. Like the particle emitter and the point light.
How long is the wait? Bro, I'm like forgetting the model, bro.
Oh, that's why it just takes so long to load. Okay, that makes sense. I think I'm just gonna use a billboard GUI for that, to be honest, and then just have like a particle.
masculine turnage. How long is the stream? Alright, I'm gonna create a physical meter, like physical parts that Where did I put this shit? Yo, how does this meter look? Yo, bro, you there?